Hi everyone. Today we will study about types of matrix. Types of matrix. First type is row matrix. First type is row matrix. Definition of row matrix is a matrix having only one row is called row matrix. What is the definition here? A matrix having only one row is called as row matrix. For example, A is a matrix. This is a row matrix having only one row. 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 9. This is a row matrix because it containing only one row. So that its order is 1 by how many columns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 by 6. What is a row matrix? A matrix having only one row is called as a row matrix, and here number of columns may vary but row must be only one. Such type of matrix is called as a row matrix. Second type, column matrix. Definition: a matrix having only one column is called column matrix. A matrix having only one column is called as column matrix. For example, B is a matrix and this is a column matrix. How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by 1. Here order of matrix is 5 by 1. Number of rows are 5. Number of column is 1. Number of columns are 1, so that this matrix is called as a column matrix. What is a column matrix? A matrix having only one column. Such type of matrix is called as a column matrix. Here number of rows are vary but column must be only one. In row matrix it is a only one row. Number of columns are vary. In column matrix here number of rows are vary but column is only one. Such type of matrix is called as a column matrix. Third type, square matrix. A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of column. Such matrix is called square matrix. What is the definition here? A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of column. Such a matrix is called as a square matrix. For example, A is a matrix. What is a square matrix? A matrix in which number of rows equal to number of columns. Number of rows is equal to number of columns. That is a number of rows equal to number of column. See here. How many? What is the order of matrix A here? How many rows are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. Number of rows are 4. How many columns are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 by 4. When number of rows equal to number of columns, at that time, when we arrange this number, these are in square form. So that such type of matrix is called as a square matrix. In general, A is a matrix denoted by Aij. In general, how we denote matrix? A is equal to matrix Aij. Here Aij are the elements of the matrix A of order m by m. It is m by m because number of rows is equal to number of column. Number of rows is equal to number of columns are denoted by a m is a square matrix. Next definition, that is principal diagonal. Definition: in a square matrix, left top to right bottom diagonal is called principal diagonal. Principal diagonal in a square matrix. Left top to right bottom diagonal is called as a principal diagonal. For example, we will see in example. For example, is a square matrix. Is it a square matrix? Number of rows equal to number of column. This is a square matrix. We find principal diagonal. This is the left side of the matrix and this is the right side of the matrix. Left top to, this is the top side. Left top to right bottom. This diagonal is called as principal diagonal. And the elements of principal diagonal is called diagonal elements. This is called as principal diagonal. And elements lie on the principal diagonal is called as the diagonal elements. The elements of the principal diagonal is called as the diagonal elements. Here 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0 are diagonal elements. In general, if A is a matrix of elements of A are Aij of order m by m, then diagonal elements of Aij are I is equal to j. Non-diagonal non-diagonal elements of Aij are I is not equal to j. We take another one example, that is B is a matrix A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A33. This is the square matrix. What is the principal diagonal here? Left top to 2, right bottom. Left top to right bottom. This is the principal diagonal. What are the diagonal elements here? A11, A22, A33. Diagonal elements of Aij where I is equal to j. Here, see here, this is the diagonal elements. These are the A11, A22, A33. These are the diagonal elements. Here I is equal to j. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 1. Here I is equal to 2, j is equal to 2. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 3. A non-diagonal elements of Aij are I is not equal to j. See here I is equal to 1, j is equal to 2. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. I is equal to 2, j is equal to 1. I is equal to 3, j is equal to 1. Here I is not equal to j. On the diagonal elements I is equal to j, and on the non-diagonal elements I is not equal to j. Next type, that is diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0 is called diagonal matrix. A square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0. What is the definition of diagonal matrix? First of all, it is a square matrix in which all non-diagonal elements are 0. For example, A is a matrix and it is a square matrix 5, 0, 0, because non-diagonal elements are 0. 0, 6, 0, 0, 0, 8. See here, 5, 6, 8, these are the diagonal elements, and 5, 6, 8, these are the diagonal elements, and remaining all are non-diagonal elements, and remaining all non-diagonal elements are 0. Such matrix is called as a diagonal matrix. A diagonal matrix is in diagonal matrix. Next,